whole design is driven by the anatomy workflow. In the first step, you can select the different anatomy kits. We have a selection of different types of anatomies. Once you have selected the anatomy, please click Next. Now the system will create a proposal with anatomy design based on the remaining teeth. We start now with the design of our anatomy. You don't have to care about the margin line or any other parts of the design in the first step. Just focus on your anatomy design. With the different colored handles, you can change your design. To change the design to one orientation, you can use the blue handles. With the yellow handles, you can turn the element. To change your object to two directions, please keep the control button on the keyboard pushed while moving the handle. Always ensure that you check the design from different views. To switch in between the elements, just select the different elements. Now we optimize the pontic design. To avoid a ledge, we are shortening the palatal part of the pontic to have a nice pontic design afterwards. Please also ensure that all the preparation line areas are covered by the anatomy template. This ensures a nice calculation between the die and the anatomy template. Once you have finalized your anatomy design, you can proceed to the next step. In the next step, we will set up our treatment details. In the treatment plan, we now select the bridge situation. Select the elements of the bridge by clicking Create Bridge and then Validate Bridge. In the restoration plan, we now select the details. In our example, we select a reduced crown on 24, a reduced pontic on 25, and on 26, a full crown. Now you select the output format. You can select Straumann centralized manufacturing, followed by the material that is offered in the centralized milling, and then you click Done. Now we set up the margin line. You have different options like dot to dot or the Smart Detect with a proposal function. If you click Propose, the system will create the margin line automatically. Click Next to continue with tooth 26. Also here we use the Propose function. If you click Next, you can set up the insertion path. You have different options like Propose, which give you an initial automatic proposal with the best possible path of insertion. You can also change the path of insertion by view, and always if you click Propose, it will automatically calculate the best possible path of insertion. If you switch to individual, you can select a path of insertion for all the individual elements. Now we can change the fitting parameters. To continue, just click Next. Now we can set up the parameters for tooth 26. Once you have done the design, you continue with Next to finalize the core design